Hey, welcome back. So we got some Azure Beauty PR. Now, originally, I thought I was gonna be unboxing some gel polish, so I was super excited because y'all know Azure Beauty is known for dip powder and dip powder only. So they are launching these regular polishes. Don't mind my finger. I cut myself open up my Temu package. That video y'all gonna see later on. I do my videos out of order. Do it matter? No, you're gonna see it regardless. But while I was opening this, y'all, I was super psyched. I was like, yes, finally something I can use because I don't care for dip powder. The smell, the glue, all that gives me a big headache. And to add on to this, regular nail polish. I hate the smell of it, and I just can't deal with it now. Don't get me wrong. If Azure Beauty was to come out with some gel polish in these colors, I would cop them for sure. These are regular gel polish. Not gel polish, regular polish, shellac, or whatever it's called, lacquer, whatever it's called. So I did receive two sets. The two, what they call cat eye. Those are real cute. I didn't know regular polish can do the little cat eye effect. I just thought it was only gel. So that was cool to see. But like I said, I'm only unboxing and show y'all the color for the first set. The second one, I just opened it and showed y'all the colors. Like I said, I do not like the smell of regular polish, so I didn't feel the need to keep on prolonging me playing in these polishes because the smell is just overbearing. I prefer gel polishes, you know what I'm saying? But overall, they actually pretty nice. The colorways of these are pretty decent. I can't really give too much of a full honest review only because I'm not a regular polish type of girl. But I am gonna swatch these for y'all, and that's about it. But I'm not keeping these. Y'all let me know what should I do? Put it in my little giveaway box. That's what today? Today is like May 2nd or whatever. That's in. I think the giveaway ends like May 10th or whatever. Should I put it in a box or do somebody else want? I give it to you for $10, just to cover your shipping, because I'm not paying to send it to you. Period. But yeah, I'm just showing y'all the colors. Now these are vegan free. I didn't read too much into the back and all that good stuff, but I do know that they are vegan polishes. I do want to say that it wasn't Azure Beauty's fault. It was my fault because, reading is fundamental. And clearly, I got super hyped when I seen polishes and vegan. And I thought it was going to be gels. But no, they're regular. I should have known because they do dip powder. Of course, they're going to do like regular polish. But overall, the color, the pigmentation on these are pretty decent, especially for some nudes. But yeah, y'all let me know. Should I just throw it in the giveaway box, or do anybody want it or whatever? If somebody wants it before everybody says put it in the giveaway, then first come first serve type of thing. You get both of them, okay? Ain't no picky. I just want this or that. No, you gonna get both of them and call it a day. So yeah, y'all, I'm just watching these. Like I said, I do have a Temu haul coming up. I literally was filming that video before this one. Like I literally got off work, shower, and then started filming these videos because I haven't been making content. Anyway, sorry if y'all hear the dog barking. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning and it been barking since 12. Like it need to shut up. But yeah. Like I said, I was surprised that, you could do the cat eye thing with like regular polish. But these colors and the pigmentation on it is pretty nice for them to be like regular polish or whatever y'all want to call them. But yeah, I was talking about, I got a Temu haul coming up. I bought like 5 or 6 things. 2 things I didn't bought. You'll know in the video which one, 2 items I didn't bought or whatever. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna go ahead and try to get this video out literally today or whatever, because I think tomorrow, which will be Saturday, which the video I filmed like 2 or 3 weeks ago for Madam Glam, I'm producing it out on Saturday or whatever, so it's gonna be real old. I got real old content, but y'all won't even know unless I say it. But yeah, that's coming up. But for the most part, here I'm just gonna unbox and show y'all the other set. Now this other set, y'all know I'm not a pink fan, but these will look cute too. In the gel set. So Azure Beauty, I hope you consider doing gels, and I'll be happy to be like on the PR list, and I can actually review and do like a cool cute nail set. So I want to show y'all the colors put together. This is what they look like. These are cute, y'all. Y'all can't tell me it eat down in a gel polish set. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and repackage these up and on to the next. I can't do too much with these. I'm not a regular shellac, whatever you want to call it, person. But overall, from my intake, I like it. Nothing too much to say about them. They dry pretty fast. I will say, that's the only thing I can like put my input on. They dry probably a good minute and a half. Probably quicker than that. Well, I think on a box it say 3 minutes, but you ain't gotta wait that long. But if you want to fully make sure, I would say yeah, give it 3 to 5 minutes. But yeah, these are two that I'm just gonna be giving away, doing away with because I don't need them. But for the most part, that's it for today's video, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you, Azure Beauty, for sending me over these regular polishes. My bad for thinking they were gel, but overall, I love them. I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye.